Can you name Abrahamic religions for me? Anybody? Okay, okay. Islam, you said? Christianity. Anything else? Sorry? Judaism? These are the three primary Abrahamic religions that we know of. Islam, Christianity and Judaism. Let us take Judaism. For example, when you talk about Judaism, I hope you know the people who follow Judaism, they are called Jews. They are called Jews, right? And you can say the proponent, or you can say the prophet for Jews is Moses, who's also called Musa. Moses. When we talk about Christianity, you all know that people who follow the Christian faith, they are called Christians. And for them, Jesus, or who is also called Isa, is the prophet. And when we talk about Islam, the persons who follow Islam, they are called Muslims, and for them, Prophet Muhammad is the prophet. Fine. These Abrahamic religions, they follow the principle that there is only one God. For example, when you talk about Islam, they follow the principle that there is one God, that is Allah, and Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet. Two things that you can gather from this statement. Number one, Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet. Prophet Muhammad is not the only prophet. Right? There were prophets before Prophet Muhammad also. Right? For example, जब मैं आपको next class में थोड़ा सा और detail में समझाऊंगा, तो I will tell you, all these three are Abrahamic religions. All these three are Abrahamic religions. This word Abrahamic is not a concept. It is coming from the name of a person, Abraham, or he is called Ibrahim. Different pronunciation, same person. It is coming from Abraham or Ibrahim. So imagine, please understand in terms of international relations also, that we have Abrahamic religions. Prominent three Abrahamic religions, Islam, Judaism and Christianity. Yet, we have today also a conflict going on between Israel and Palestine, Israel and Iran. So, Abrahamic religion, the reason for the conflict is different. I'll come to that also later on. I intend to explain it to you because people should know about it. So, you understand Abrahamic religions categorized into three. That means three prominent Abrahamic religions. And when I'll tell you the Genesis, you'll come to know that lot of the Genesis is common. For example, Moses, who is also called Musa alayhi salam, he is also a part of Islam. When you talk about Jesus or Isa alayhi salam, he is also a part of Islam. Meaning to say what? That there is a lot of common ground which is available across these three religions. Yet there is a point of conflict. That is a separate thing. Acha, when we talk about Judaism, they follow a book, because monotheistic religions, they generally follow the commandments coming from a book, because they are monotheistic. They believe in one God. Here also, when we talk about Prophet Muhammad, or when we talk about Jesus, or when we talk about Moses, they are not God. They are the proponents, they are the prophets, they are the most revered, but they are not God. For example, in Judaism, the book that they follow, the 10 commandments, it is called Torah. The book that they follow, the 10 commandments, it is called Torah. Similarly, here Christianity, everybody knows that the book they follow is Bible. There is a New Testament, there is an Old Testament. I'll come to that also, what is the difference between them. And Islam, they follow the Holy Quran. मैं थोड़ा आपको बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्ड कर रहा हूं, बिकॉज आई कांट बॉम्बार्ड यू विद इंफॉर्मेशन. थोड़ा बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्ड कर रहा हूं ताकि आपको समझ आ जाए. As I told you, there is a person named Ibrahim, or the person Abraham. There are two, I can say, family trees or lineages that you can find out here. One belongs to Ishmael, and the other is Ishaq. Now, Ishmael, further if you go down, you will come to the Kinana tribe. From there, you can come to one of the most prominent and the powerful tribes, the Quraysh tribe. And then there was Hashim, which was a clan of the Quraysh tribe, and Prophet Muhammad belonged to the Hashim clan of the Quraysh tribe. And abhi main detail mein nahi jaunga, but when we talk about Ishaq, you will see Moses also, and you will see Jesus also belonging to this part of the lineage. Now imagine, when you look here, you can imagine that there might be certain common principles also that are followed, or that might be followed. Kuch common principles bhi honge that are followed, or that might be followed. Because when you look at the genesis, so when you look at the genesis of these Abrahamic religions, you will see that there is a common ground. And the origin is happening from a common place, Ibrahim. Fine. So one thing that you can take away from this discussion is that there is some similarity, or there is some common point of origin between these three Abrahamic religions which are monotheistic, that is Islam, Christianity and Judaism. There is some common point, and there is some similarity also here. Now, before going into the life of the Prophet,